Alright, I hear more rapids up ahead. Start another video. Going slow and easy. There we go, y'all. Hold on. See if I can pick a way without hitting the rocks. Water's muddy, so I can't see the rocks. So far, so good. Definitely better when the water's up at the redneck, y'all. I'll go and say it. I'm glad the water's up. I'm trying to swing my ass in around. Now we float again to the next part. Letting y'all see all the good little rapids. Well, there's some sorry little rapids, but they work. About that time to get my head right, YouTube. That means I gotta do it without y'all. I'm getting close to that time. How long was this video? Is it still going? Alright, that's a 2-minute little short video. Wish I could do the whole trip for y'all, but you know. You know. I know you know. And if you don't know, well now you know. We'll catch you in the next section, because I see smooth water ahead, so it's a boring section. So CBK will be back after these messages. We'll be right back.